Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Madi, also known as Mari Bajari here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this fall makeup look right here. I cannot believe it is already fall time, all the fall vibes, fall makeup looks, outfits, all that stuff. Fall is my favorite time of the year. So yeah, for today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on this entire makeup look right here. So if you guys are interested to see how I did it, what makeup products I use, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so I think I want to start off with the face base today. So we're just going to jump right into it. I already have my moisturizer and sunscreen on. I actually want to spray my face with some setting spray first. Sometimes I'm feeling a little extra. I want to do this. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. So I'm going to spray this before I put any makeup on. And then while we let that soak in, I'm actually going to go in with some Laneige Lip Sleepy Mask. I always like to have some moisturized lips so that at the end of the makeup look, when we go in with some lip product, it's nice and ready. So for today's foundation, I'm actually going to be using my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. It's been a while since I've used her, so hopefully she still matches. I'm just going to start by applying it with my finger and then taking my Morphe Beauty Sponge to blend it out. She looks a little light. Let's see. Once you go with bronzer and stuff, I think it'll all work out. So now to contour, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Oaks on You. This stuff just helps bring warmth back to the skin. And then I put some on my nose. And I'll also put a little bit down here. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with the brush and blend it all out. And after I blend it out with a brush, I like to go in with the beauty sponge. Just make sure everything is nice and blended out. Now for concealer, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey. I still need to get a new one of these, but there's a little bit of product left in there. And I'm just going to apply it right here and then also at the end to give me a sleek, snatched face. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit because the longer you let your concealer sit, the more coverage you're going to get out of it. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my Morphe Beauty Sponge and begin to blend the concealer out. So now to set under my eyes, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Pound Cake Loose Powder. And I'm going to just make sure everything is blended out. There's no creasing going on. And then take the same sponge to set under the eyes. And I'm just going to press the powder into the skin. I'm not going to bake, just press it in. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury, I always forget the name of this, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the shade number 2. And I'm just going to pack that around the rest of the face, except under the eyes because I already set that with the Huda Beauty powder. So now to bronze up the face a little more, I'm going in with this Via Bella Snatch Sculpt Color Quad. And I'm just going to be using the shade right here, which is Oh My God. Oh my God. And just begin to bronze and slightly contour. Just right over where I placed the contour stick. And now for some blush, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Pop of Coral Blush. And I'm just going to mix these two right here, which is Boss and Fierce. And begin to pack that on the high points of the cheek. And then I do want to apply a subtle amount of highlight. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold Highlighter. And I'm going to use a Morphe M510, the infamous highlighter brush, to apply it. And then before we move on to the eyes, I'm going to spray the face one more time using my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Just let that all soak into the skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer so we can get into the eye look. Okay, so I was going through my palettes and I was like, I wanna do a fall look, but I'm like, what can I do? So I have the BFF palettes, that's the collaboration with BH Cosmetics and Alondra and Elsie. And this shade right here was calling my name. Like something about this shade, I was like, that screams fall. So we're gonna create a look using some browns, chocolate browns, and that shade, kind of to match this top right here. So let's see what we can do. So to start off the look, I'm gonna go in with the shade 24 using a Morphe M441 blending brush and just apply this into the crease. For a fall look, I always like to start with a nice warm orange or yellow, and this is like the perfect mustard shade. Okay, sorry if the lighting fluctuates and changes. The sun is going down, so it's gonna get warm, it's gonna get cold. Right now it's cool tone. 5 seconds ago it was just like super orange, so bear with me. Okay, so to darken up the look, I'm going to take the shade OOTD, which is this dark chocolate brown. And I'm just gonna start by applying that dark brown into the outer edge and then blending it into the crease. Kind of packing it at the same time. I feel like this look that I'm going for is gonna be very sultry. We'll see how it comes out. Okay, so I do want to darken it a little bit more. So I'm going to take the shade Wine and Dine and just start to pack this on the outer edge. This shade is such a nice wine color. I mean, it is called Wine and Dine, but they did so good with this color. This look definitely consists of lots of blending, so just take your time with it if you're gonna do something similar. Just build up but continue to blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and cut the crease using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a Real Techniques detailer brush. And after I cut the crease, I just start to like press it down with my finger just so it blends nicely on the outer corner. It's like not too harsh. So now for the lid shade, the part that I'm so excited for, we're gonna go in with the shade Messy. This one is just like such a nice green, like olive green, but also has like flecks of like purple in it. I just feel like it's the perfect fall shade. So I'm gonna pack that right on top of where I cut the crease. Let's see how she performs because she looks pretty in the palette, but let's see. Oh yes. She's cute. This is the first time I'm using this shade ever. This is such a pretty fall shade. Why do I always do my makeup when I don't have plans? Like, this is gonna be such a cute look, and then what? Gotta take it off and go to bed. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the Wine and Dine shade and just add a little bit more on the outer corner. I'm also going to take the shade Wine and Dine in OOTD to line the lid as if it was eyeliner using a B Bella NG356 liner brush. Maybe I shouldn't have done my face first, but it's okay. So since I'm gonna start smoking out my lower lash line, I don't want any fallout on my face. So I'm gonna put some translucent powder here. And I think that'll help prevent any fallout, so I could just dust it away. And I'm going to wing out the look using the same two dark shadows. So I love just using like dark shadows to mimic a liner rather than liquid liner itself, because I don't know, it just looks a lot softer, but it gets the job done and idea that you want. But if you mess up, you can just blend it away. As if you use a liner, you're kind of screwed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush away the translucent powder since we're done with that part. I should have done that sooner, but it's okay. It fixed it. So now for lashes, I definitely want to take my Manifest lashes. I feel like they're just a very sexy, sultry lash. This is like perfect for this look. I said sultry, but it's a sexy lash. She's cute and wispy and thick. So let's see how she will look. Yeah, I feel like this is the perfect lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes off camera, and I'll be right back to complete the look. All right guys, so lashes are on, looking cute, looking wispy. So now to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm pretty much gonna use every matte shade that I used on the eyelid. So the dark brown, the wine color, and the yellow. So basically what I'm gonna do is take Wine and Dine and OOTD and just kind of line the lower lash line by packing it like so. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade 24 and begin to smoke that out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Beauty Creations Lengthening Mascara. And just apply a little bit to the top lashes and then a lot on the lower lashes. I just like to use a little just to make sure everything is blended together and you just can't see the regular lashes. And then I love a good lower lash line. And then now I'm debating if I want to do an inner corner highlight. Let's see. Maybe we can go in with a little bit of the Blessed shade, just a little, and then apply that into the inner corner. Alright guys, so now lastly, my camera's gonna die, I have to hurry up, but for the lips, I'm using Morphe Love Bite Lip Liner. And then on top of that, I'm taking the Beauty Creations Velvet Stay Lip Paint in the shade Choco Latte. Alright you guys, so this is the completed fall makeup look. I am obsessed on how it came out. I know I say that after every makeup tutorial that I do, but like I surprise myself every single time. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but this is literally exactly how I pictured this look to come out. And I think it came out even better than I expected. But this screams very fall, dark, sultry vibes. Like, I love it. So my camera's about to die. I gotta hurry up and end this before it cuts me short. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this fall makeup look. We have lots more to come, as well as Halloween makeup tutorials. So make sure you are subscribed if you aren't already. If you're not, what are you doing? But yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe, stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.